Using proper procedure, stopping at intersections, honking your horn before going through. Working the obstacle course portion flawlessly at this point. So we're dropping off 4, picking up 2. Or if you're the next person in line, you'd be dropping off 2 and picking up 4. And since he went through the first part backwards, now he gets to go forward through the second half of the obstacle course. You're always watching, you got to make those tight corners as the back end is going to be swinging outward. Going back through the intersection forward this time. Weaving around and then back to the starting point. Dropping the pallets back down for the next person. And there it is, easy peasy.